Good morning. Slept pretty good last night. There was a moment when I was falling asleep that I felt like I was dreaming but still conscious. It was really strange. I felt like it only lasted like 30, 40 minutes. I remember thinking like, I was dreaming, but I'm still awake. I don't know. Anyway, alright, now we're going on the Ben & Jerry's ice cream tour. They also have the graveyard of flavors there. I thought that was pretty funny. So I head that way. Tour starts at 9. We'll get there around 8:40 because we're early bird gets the worm, right? Haha.
Turn right, then turn left.
Could you imagine actually holding ice cream that way, like this? She's very uncomfortable, extremely inefficient.
I never knew that.
So it takes 16 scoops to make it.
Yep, never knew that.
Welcome to the flavor room. We'll have a couple of my legendary jokes. So we didn't do so well over there right away. So what we did is we made this test kitchen as a prototype, and then we gave Japan their own lab. It was a little bit bigger, a little more elbow room. And for a few years, they were creating new flavors for their country.
Go ahead.
No, it's okay.
Picks me up a pie of the cinnamon bun ice cream. We'll try that in the car. I'm gonna see the flavor graveyard right up here next to the playground, conveniently located. Yeah, that one sounds disgusting. I'm glad it's dead. Alright, picked up a nice pint of Ben & Jerry's cinnamon bun. Oh, that's not reflecting well. Cinnamon bun. And hopefully I can eat a full pint of this. Hardest part is opening it. Ah. Let's see what we got here. Pretty good. Very cold. And try and improve my transition game. So now to work off all that ice cream, we're gonna go to the highest point in Vermont, and it was alright. But yeah, we're going to the highest point in Vermont. It's a 1.3 mile hike from where you can park, so it's definitely not a Mount Marcy, thank God. And then after that, what are we doing? Other stuff is what we're doing. Here in Stowe, Vermont, about to go on the long trail, which will take us to Mountain Mansfield. A guy up there said it's a 2.6 mile one way. It's really depressing. I thought it would be like 1.3. Whatever, man. All right. It's a lot smoother than Marcy is, but of course it has its quote-unquote ups and downs. Ha! Here's what we have left. Circle around, and it's up there, faintly in the clouds. I was talking to some guys about Pokemon Go, and they're on the way up. They were older gentlemen, but it was still fun. Very grateful for this app because it shows me in real time how much longer I have to go. How you doing?
Hey, doing well.
Hi. That was pretty awkward. What is that? Looks like someone forgot their igloo. I don't know what that is. It looks like a plane part. Yeah, I should have known. The gym right here was the fake out portion. Probably still got another 18 miles, another 3 months until we get there. Alright, it's for sure. It's blue right there. Yay! See the hair? All wet. Pretty hot, isn't it? Hopefully my UNCG rock climbing skills can come into handy now. Alright. It's all on the feet. Get a good first step. Use your arms to pull you up. Is this right, UNCG rock climbing team? Obviously not. It's taken a very long time to get up. Jeez. My car is way down there. Right about here. A bit far away. How far? We got past those trees for sure. Just in case battery dies or the fog doesn't go away, this may be the best thing you get. I mean, aside from me, of course. Whoa! Not there yet, but just trying to capture all the moments I'm allowed to with the fog over here coming in. Whew. Oh, almost fell.
Better than a couple inches.
Yeah, we're crawling through the rocks.
Easy. Now I gotta get down, still without any water. Yeah, forgot to tell you I didn't bring any water. Cause I thought it'd be 1.5 miles. It's 3, one way. I'm gonna drink from our river probably. Yummy. Something about this shirt that makes me do the most animalistic things, like when we showered at Appomattox. Now drinking water from the woods. The road. The beautiful road. It's awkward with cars driving by. I gotta get used to vlogging in public. It's still really weird. What's good, Edgar? Now about 20 minutes up the road, here at Emily's Bridge. Supposedly a covered bridge that is haunted here in Vermont. Online, Atlas Obscura said that the story goes Emily and her paramour, whatever, were scheduled to meet here. And he ghosted her and she killed herself because of it. In that case, Emily is the 1850s version of overly attached girlfriend. Like, what a response. It's like, hey, you want to go to McDonald's? Sure thing, let's go. You meet there, he's not there. You immediately pull out a 45 and then your life. I can feel her presence now. Ooh. Ooh. I bet Emily made this stack of rocks, didn't she? Ooh. Emily's also a graffiti artist. Ooh. We're now here at Glen Falls. It's right down the beaten path over there. So we'll go check it out, and then we'll probably head on into Greensboro, Vermont. Head back home. Haha, lol, funny. The good album art for my indie label. Does this Walmart look familiar? It should, because this one we stayed in last night. I came back to it because the next thing on the list, okay, so I went to Greensboro, right? Greensboro, Vermont. And it's a dead zone with data, so I couldn't find any of the stuff that I wanted to do. So I'm gonna try and do it again tomorrow. But it's also next to Montpelier, I guess that's how you say that. People online were saying Mount Peculiar, or Montpelier, because it's a capital and politics and all that fun stuff. But yeah, the Walmart's so nice, I spent the night at it twice. First time too, I think I've done this before. And I'm pigging out, dude. I got some honey buns. I also got some iced oatmeal cookies. I don't think I've ever done that stuff before. We just decide, hey, you know what? I'm gonna spend $3 on food. Alright, once that car shuts up, I'm gonna go to bed. And so we'll finish Vermont tomorrow and start in New Hampshire. Guys, have a good night. Shut up.